These sourdough cinnamon rolls are a delicious way to start your morning. They have a cinnamon sugar filling and a cream cheese frosting. Alright, let me show you how to make them. In the bowl of a stand mixer, place 3/4 cup warm grass-fed milk, 1 cup of active or fed sourdough starter, 3½ cups of organic all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of melted grass-fed butter, 1/4 cup of organic cane sugar, 1¼ teaspoons unrefined sea salt, 1 large egg, and 2 teaspoons pure vanilla extract. Knead on medium-low speed for 10 minutes. The dough should be very soft and clean the sides of the bowl but not the bottom. Form the dough into a ball and place it in a buttered bowl, turning once to grease the top. Cover the bowl and allow it to rise at room temperature for 8 to 12 hours or until the dough is doubled in bulk. Generously grease your work surface and plop the dough onto it. Gently roll the dough out with a buttered rolling pin to a large rectangle that's about 16 inches long by 12 inches wide. Spread the dough with 4 tablespoons of soft butter, leaving an inch of the far long edge unbuttered. In a small bowl, mix together ½ cup of organic cane sugar and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Sprinkle it evenly over the butter on the dough. Carefully roll the dough up jelly roll style. Since the dough is so soft, it can be a bit tricky to manipulate. If you can't stand such a soft dough, add more flour at the beginning. Slice the dough into 14 to 16 rolls. Place in a buttered 13 by 9 inch baking dish. Cover with a tea towel and allow to rise until quite puffy and the rolls almost fill the pan, about 4 to 8 hours. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes, then lower the temperature to 350 and bake 20 to 25 minutes longer. Allow to cool on a wire rack for at least 30 minutes. For the icing, cream together the butter and cream cheese. Sip the powdered sugar on top. Beat until smooth. Spread the icing all over the cinnamon rolls. So that's how to make my sourdough cinnamon rolls. Thanks so much for watching.